I share the same concern ni Congressman Alejano as regards the CCTV project ng DILG. Mabigat na na issue yan, kagaya ng third telco. May security considerations. We don't have anything against China per se, but being a communist nation, hindi tayo kumaga magkakadugtong yung bituka sa demokrasya eh. So walang transparency and accountability and all the others, that's yung hallmarks of a democratic country. So yun ang reason kung bakit worry tayo dapat sa mga ganyang mga proyekto.